Alright, good morning guys. So it's our day 5 today, and I tend to skip the fifth day as always because I can't maintain my consistency over 4 days. So today I was in college and I had an off lecture. So I decided to do some exercise by climbing the Chatushrungi. If you guys know, it's in the Shivaji Nagar area of Pune. My friend has also accompanied with me, so we both are gonna do the climbing of Chatushrungi. So it enhances the breathing rate. It helps to it helps in various ways, I guess. Maybe one fine day I am planning to go for a trekking. So let's see. First, climbing Chatushrungi mountain itself is a difficult task for many, but me and my friend, some of my friends, we do it on a regular basis. So not pretty regular basis, but we tend to do it often. So see you there. So we have arrived now. We going the temple is down somewhere. Yeah, it is visible now. That's the temple, and we'll be climbing all this. So stay tuned. So there is the magnificent temple, and we're gonna climb this. So let's go. So this is the way to climb up and climb down. We often tend to, me and my friends often tend to go from this side. It's a little broken and it's under construction now, so we're gonna climb through these stairs. So let's go. Okay, so this mandir right here is a mandir of Lord Ganesha, but our main temple is still far beyond. So let's continue climbing. Okay, so we are halfway up already now. I hope you can see this beautiful scenery. I guess the trees are interfering the good scene, but no worries. We still have more to climb. Not climb, but to trek or climb, whatever you say. So let's go. Now I guess you can be able to see. Just beautiful, man. Feels a blessing. Okay, so now we have arrived at the temple. So we're gonna remove our shoes right here and get up. I'm not sure if they're gonna allow shooting inside, so let's see. Okay, so now I asked them, so they said taking outside view is okay. So this is the temple. I'm not allowed to take the inside, but I'm gonna show what's with that side. So previously the trees were interfering, so from here I guess we can see the entire good view of Pune. This thing looks quite nice. That over there is the range hill. So yeah, this thing looks nice. Okay, so this right here is the beautiful scene of Pune. It's 11:30 I guess now. That's how Pune looks in the morning. So we were successful climbing the Chatushrungi. Some construction work is continuing here. From that's where we started, and this right here is the metro line, which will be starting very soon. So yeah, it was all about it. Okay, so my plan now is to just a minute. Okay, so our plan now is to wait here for 5 or 10 minutes, and then we're again gonna climb down and gonna attend our next lecture. So I guess that was some good workout, not exactly workout, but it was some good sort of exercise to do. I wish if I could do this daily, that would be very nice. So let's continue. Bye bye, signing off.